Hello everyone, welcome to part 172 of Laravel 10 series in which we're creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the shipping management module in the admin panel, in which first of all we are adding the country-wise shipping charges. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that we able to add the complete country list, and we have also done the active inactive status, and now in this video we are going to update the shipping charges for these countries. Okay, so let's start working on this one. First of all, we are going to add the route. Okay, so here we'll make sure that it is add hyphen edit hyphen shipping, but we are going to change its route as well, its link as well. Okay, so I'm going to close the earlier files and we'll open the shipping charges here, shipping underscore charges, and here we are going to update the link, this link, and we are going to make it like edit add is not required here, but edit shipping charges, edit shipping charge, edit shipping charges, or charge edit ship, I think charges looks better, edit shipping charges, and then its shipping id. Okay, so and now we are going to create its route in web.php file. I'm going to open this one, and here we are going to add its route here. Okay, so here we are going to add in the same way, like we are used to add, but let's okay, let's copy this one, it will save our time. I will just paste it here and match get post, and here it will come edit shipping charges, and this one I'm going to pick shipping and then charges. Okay, id, then shipping controller, and after that here also we are going to add edit shipping charges. Okay, so after this we are going to create this function inside shipping controller. I'm going to open the shipping controller that we have created in the last video. Here it is, shipping controller. So here I'm going to add this function, so that function will help us to update the shipping charges for the country, and here it will come $id, and so id will come up from there, from here. Okay, so the id will come, and here we are going to update the shipping charges based on the id. Okay, here we are going to see, first we are going to fetch the shipping details. See, in edit shipping charges, we are going to fetch the shipping details and we'll show it there. Okay, and then the post method will also come, but first of all we are going to fetch the details from the id. Okay, and will show in edit form. So here we are going to have the shipping charge here, and where id $id, and first like this, and now we are going to create this return view admin. Under admin, under shipping folder, we are going to create file edit shipping charges with compact shipping details. Okay, so now shipping details, these we are going to create this file edit shipping charges, and like this one, and here we are going to create another file. So I will open my folder docs, and here is the project 10, sources, views. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy some other files. I'm going to copy, sorry, go inside the admin, and we'll copy from the brand itself, brand, add edit. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste inside shipping module. It will save a lot of our time, and here I'm going to rename it to the edit shipping charges, edit underscore shipping underscore charges, shipping underscore charges, and this one I will bring it here. And now I'm going to make changes, and here I'm going to add the form. I'm going to first update this brand, and will replace it with the shipping everywhere. And after that I'm going to search for the brand once again. It's still there. I will replace this one as well. I will check brand once again. No, now it's not there. Okay, so I'm going to now we'll make changes. We'll check here. Like the first one is the country. Okay, so here I'm going to add the country here, and shipping country will come from there, but we will keep it as read only. Okay, so here id name is not required, placeholder is also not required. We can remove it all, and here we are going to see we are sending in shipping details. Okay, here see shipping details. So here we are going to mention here the shipping details, and here the country will come up. This one will also not come up. We will remove this one as well, and here but we this field is the read only. And also we are going to add here some style like background color. We are going to add some color like this one. Okay, so after this we are going to show the rate. I'm going to remove this one, and we'll also remove this one logo, and here we are going to transfer this one to rate. Okay, so here I'm going to add here the rate like this, and this one I'm going to rename it to rate as well. And here see, instead of this one I'm going to make it shipping details here like this. Okay, so after that url come, then description come, meta title, meta keywords. This one all we can remove, and here now we are going to check here. Okay, so let's here click on edit, and we'll see here. Okay, so yeah, title is not coming, and what we are going to do, we are going to add the title here. Simple dollar title. We are going to add here edit shipping charges or update shipping charges, whatever you want. And this title we are going to add here, return the title as well. And now see, we are going to check there. I'm going to open once again, and see it's coming. Okay, so whatever the country we want to edit, like we want to edit the India. See India, I'm going to edit here. See India is coming, so I'm going to add the shipping charges for the India here. Okay, so once I'm going to submit these shipping charges, and then it will go to that page. You're going to the same page, edit shipping charges. Here I'm going to pick its route, and we'll give it here. See, I'm going to give this single route here, not this one. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, and we are going to use this one. And here I'm going to see this edit shipping charges, shipping id. Okay, so here so this one also not required, we will remove this one. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Then country is not required, fine. After that rate is there, placeholder edit shipping rate. Okay, shipping rate or shipping charges. Okay, shipping rate here. So rest of the thing seems to be fine here. Okay, so now the data will go here. Here we are going to add now request, dollar request. Okay, sorry, request, dollar request. This one we are going to add here. Okay, so we will keep it at first. Okay, so all this one, and then comma id. Okay, so it looks better. So here we are going to add the condition now, but before that, one more thing we are going to do here. This session page shipping is required for all, for this one as well, here also in the case of edit. Okay, so now we will use the post method, dollar request is method post. Here inside we are going to update the shipping charge now, shipping charge in this model that we have, and where id must be matching with this id $id, and then we are going to update the rate. Data rate like this, okay, and then dollar message shipping charges, sorry, updated name. And after that return reject back with success message roller message. Fine. And this one okay, so let's see if it will work fine. Okay, so now let's update. Okay, so some kind of issue I was going to see. Here must be shipping details. Okay, now we're going to refresh it once again. Fine now. Okay, so now I'm going to update this one. I'm going to make it 100 here. Click on submit. So some issue is here, dollar data rate. Make sure. Okay, so here we have not given that, so that's why here dollar data dollar request all. Okay, so now it will be fine. I missed that code. Now, sorry, now it will be fine. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Click on continue, and here we can see the rate has been updated. Okay, so like this we can update the other rates as well. And if you will search here India, here you can see the 100 is here. Okay, 100 in INR. Okay, you can add in dollar as well, whatever your primary currency. Okay, so like this you can update for other countries. Okay, like if I'm going to update for United Kingdom. Okay, so I'm going to add here like in rupee I will add 500, submit. Okay, so it will show the 500 for this one. Okay, like this we can able to update the shipping charges for all the modules. So now what we are going to do, we are going to work on applying these shipping charges at the checkout page. In the next video we are going to apply these shipping charges, so that we are going to add the shipping charges as well in the order. Okay, so let's stay tuned for the next video in which we are going to add the shipping charges in the order total. Okay, according to the delivery country. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.